Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. And today's video is another Face Mask Friday video. So if you want to see what mask I use today and hear all the information, stay tuned. So this week, this is going to be the first day of November for the Face Mask Friday. So Lori picked out the themes because I picked out the themes for October. And this week's theme was like birthday cake / celebration. So I didn't really have any birthday cake one, but I love anything sparkly, metallic. I think anything like that is party related. So I am using this cosmic metallic peel off mask from Freeman. I really need to use this more because it is a pretty big size. I don't want it to go bad, so I wanted to use it. I did apply it before the video because I have used this mask in the past, and I'm a little behind, so I have to be quick with this video. I had a lot to do this morning, so I tried to get done as soon as I could, but that didn't happen, so I'm going to quickly do this video for y'all. If you want to hear my thoughts on this mask, I will link some videos during the videos playing in the iCards for y'all, so y'all know. And while this mask is going, I'm redoing an unboxing, so let's show you that next. If you want to see what Lori's mask she did this week and show her some love, go check her out and tell her I sent you, so she knows. If I can talk today, and me and Lori do this every week, and it's so much fun. I really love seeing me and her do it each week and see what content she does. I have a great time with this collab. This is an open collab if you want to know. Anyone can join in. All you have to do is do a masking video, do anything, any content you would like, an unboxing, a haul, a just talking video, whatever you decide to do, and then put that hashtag facemaskfriday in your title and tag me or Lori in your video. And this is kind of like Mask Monday in a way, but me and Lori just collab together for this because we just have a fun time doing the themes together, and I love collabing with her. She's one of my besties here on YouTube, so I love doing it each week. So now let's get on with the unboxing. So also I forgot to mention when I get on with this unboxing, I want to talk about, I will link the face mask down below just in case you do want to get it for yourself. I really recommend this mask. It's a good one. It doesn't hurt when it peels off, and the glow that leaves their skin is amazing. And Freeman's a really good brand. It's an affordable brand. I really recommend them. And then this hair towel I got from Kitsch, I think that's how you say the brand. I'll try to link this down below. If not, if I forget, let me know in the comments and I'll link it for y'all. They have the best hair tools, and I really recommend this hair towel. They have different ones. I got this in PR, and I love wearing it during Face Mask Friday because when I film this, it's usually hair washing day. So I love wearing this hair towel, and I wish I could get more of them, like in different prints and stuff. So I just want to talk about that before I get on with the unboxing. Now let's get on with the unboxing. So excited. I got this Influenster box from E.L.F. I love this brand. I love when Influencer does um, boxes for them. So if you don't know what Influencer is, it's a website where you get free items. All you have to do is make an account, have the app on your phone so that you can get the boxes. Do the snacks, which are surveys to let you know what type of boxes they want that you want to be sent. So they have all different categories. Just fill those out, and then you'll be eligible. And I really recommend y'all to do it if you haven't got one. Keep doing reviews of products that you haven't got from influencers so they know you're a real person. So I always do reviews like on face masks that I use, any new makeup that I use. I usually review on there so they know that I'm a real person. I also answer polls and questions on there. You can ask questions and do polls yourself. So it's a very fun app, and you can meet some lovely people there that might can help you. So if you do want to check out my profile, I will link it down below. I want to thank Influencer for sending these this my way. And I forgot also to mention, you don't have to be a YouTuber to get these. You can be anybody that loves doing reviews. And what they started doing recently is limited time offers, and I've been getting those as well. So the deodorant that I got recently, the PJs, that was a limited time offer. So they will send you a notification saying pick this before it goes away, and you know what you're getting. You pick them. These Voxboxes right here, you do a survey And then once, if you're eligible for it or you match whatever they decided to do, they will send you a notification that a Voxbox is coming your way. I usually wait before I open the campaign because I want to be surprised, but I know by the title and there's like a little picture on the front of this, but I still like to be a little bit surprised when I get them. So they usually have cards in them, but this one don't. It just has a little packaging, and I always like to keep these boxes because I love recycling them for friend mail and stuff, and the little package in there, so that's what I like to do. So let's talk about the 3 products I got from E.L.F, which I love these items. I've been wanting to try them, so let's talk about them next. So the first thing I got is the E.L.F Ultimate Blending. I think it's a foundation brush, if I'm not mistaken. I love their brushes. I have tried a blush brush from them, and I really love this. I can't wait to try a foundation brush. Um, I try to do brushes here and there, but what I usually do after I do the brush all over my face, um, I just do a sponge and make sure I, blend it properly and all that stuff. So that's what I like to do. So to go with that brush, I got the Soft Glam Satin Foundation. It's the medium and buildable coverage, long-lasting, hydrating. So that's really nice. This is vegan, cruelty-free. It looks like this. And I saw some ladies on Instagram get this. I don't know if they got it from Influencer or from the E.L.F. themselves. But I can't wait to try this out. I can't wait to see how it looks on my skin. And I love that E.L.F. is cruelty-free, vegan, and clean. So if you're looking for that type, I really recommend this. This is 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 milliliters. I don't know if this is a full size or not. It could be. I don't know if that is or not, but if it is, that's great that we got a full size. And on the back it says, get buildable, just right coverage and a long-lasting wearing satin finish with this hydrating foundation. That's anything but basic. Directions: use a foundation brush or sponge, buff and blend foundation all over face and on the upper neck. I always do that. And I got the shade Fair Neutral, so hopefully this is my skin type and all that stuff. I am usually fair. Um, so yeah, now let's talk about the last time that I got. So the last time I got, which I've been seeing E.L.F. Talk about this on their Instagram page, and I really want to try it. It's the Stay Cool Primer Stick, and I think this came out in the summertime, which I really liked because it's cooling, but it's supposed to be. It has aloe water in it, so I think this would be great if you have sunburn. But I love this. Seems like a really good foundation for the summer. I mean, primer for the summertime. But it's a sticky base hydrator, and it's a gel primer stick that delivers a refreshing burst of hydration and preps skin for makeup. Infused with aloe plus coconut, spring, and marine waters, the formula feels cool on the skin while you look stays fire. And then just apply skincare and then swipe primer across face and follow up makeup. What I usually like to do with these sticks is I just rub it with the stick and then I try to blend that with my fingers all over my face so I can get it everywhere. And again, this is vegan, cruelty free, and clean. I really can't wait to try this out. I might try all these together in a video coming soon, so I would have done it in this video, but this is just an unboxing and I do have a face mask on. So I will link all the products down below if you don't get Influencer. I'll link Influencer's information if you do want to watch any more Influencer unboxings that I get in the past. I will link my playlist down below, and I want to thank the brand E.L.F. and Influencer for sending my way. I really do appreciate it, and I can't wait to try these out. And I'm so excited. I bet they're really nice together. So I'm gonna try these 3 together in a video coming soon and give y'all my first impressions on it. And then I might try it a couple times after that, and then finally do my review. I don't know how much time I have left on this. I haven't checked back yet because I've been very busy with the past series that was on my channel, which is 31 Days of Halloween. But that is my unboxing for today. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and I think that is it. So if you got this far and you're enjoying it, please do it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below, let's say the ice emoji because of the cooling primer to be shout out in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what shout out in the previous video uploaded on my channel, please check out the channel's checkout section in the description and show them some love. They'll be subscribers as well as YouTubers. If they're a subscriber, go find their comment in the comment section and tell them you're thankful for their support for the Unicorn family. And if they're a YouTuber, go check out that channel and tell them I sent you. They will really appreciate it. And this is a way for me to say thank you for showing the support to my channel and watching my videos in full. It does help out a lot because I'm still working on watch time hours and boosting my subscriber count. And I've been doing a lot of research on how to boost them. So I've been doing here and there of how to do that. So once I hit the goals I want to hit, I am definitely going to do a video on how I did it because I learned it from another lady and I really want to share it on my channel. Just in case you're new to YouTube and you want to know how to boost it, I will give y'all tips and tricks on that because it seems like it's working so far. So fingers crossed I hit those goals soon. And if you do want to help out with watch time, you can watch playlist I'll link down below. You can share me out to your friends and family and have them watch me if you want to. I really do appreciate any of the support y'all give me, so please do if you have any free time. And yeah. So I forgot to mention, as well as the influencer playlist, I will be linking the Face Mask Friday playlist down below just in case you want to watch past masking videos me and Lori did. And we do different themes each week for Friday. And we have really fun times, so I hope y'all do enjoy it. Also, please go check her out and show her some love. She'll really appreciate that. I'll have her at her channel or a link to her video down below. And if you love unboxing or skincare videos, you're really going to love her. I love watching her content. I'm a little behind on watching everybody's content because I've been busy, but I'm going to get back around to it this month, so y'all know. And this is posted after Halloween, so if hopefully y'all had a happy Halloween, whatever y'all did, and stayed safe and had a good time. And let me know what y'all did for Halloween. If y'all stayed home or went out, whatever y'all did, or if y'all did it the weekend before, let me know. I'd love to hear what y'all did. We're staying in this today, which is today's when I'm filming this is Halloween. I think we're staying in to watch Project Fear, which I'll link their channel down below if you love ghost videos. I love that channel so much. I've been watching them since they were on TV. My mom showed me them, and they're so amazing. I really love them. Their ghost, videos and their fear tactics they do. I just enjoy watching them. And you should go check them out if you want something spooky to watch. I really recommend you them. And tell them I sent you if you do go subscribe to them over there on YouTube. They might not see this video, but I'm just shouting them out because I just love that channel. I love ghosty channels. If y'all do want to see a video sharing ghost video YouTubers, let me know if you want to see that content. I might share that on here if that's something y'all want to see. Just let me know in the comments. If not, you'll just get this channel that I just shouted out. So I think that is it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought in the unboxing while masking. Let me know your thoughts. I want to thank again Influencer for sending my way. I really do appreciate it. And I'm so grateful for y'all sending me items to review because I love sharing with y'all my honest review on items that I get. And I always give my honest review on things, even though I got it for free. I love, sharing with y'all new finds that I have found that are my favorite. And that y'all should go check out and get it for yourself. So yeah, I love sharing things like that. So I hope y'all do enjoy it. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.